Room 1035, Hyatt Regency in San Francisco. We'll just go around here to the foyer and the lifts. Pretty cool way to get to your room. Go back in. Come in through the entry, straight to the bathroom. Single sink but big enough, good toiletries that they give you. The bathroom with a shower and toilet. It's nice private from the rest of the bedroom, which is great at night time. Good hanging storage and safe. Central air conditioning into the bedroom. Comfy king size bed. Nice lounge to sit on or for single person. Work desk and TV and drawers. In here we got the bar fridge, which is empty, but across the road you can go buy whatever you want and put it in the fridge. But the highlight of the room would be the outdoor patio. And the view across San Francisco Bay. Nice hotel. Really enjoyed our 7 nights here. And if I came back to San Francisco, I'd definitely stay here. Perfect place to stay down near the water. 10-minute walk up Market Street to Union Square. Beautiful place.